Hi guys, welcome to Fix It Free. Welcome to this new video, guys. In this video, we'll show you how to remove the background from your designs. Uh, it can be the design that you basically download on Google Image or other platform. So in this video, we'll show you how you can remove the background from those designs. So let's start with this design. Uh, as you can see, it's very simple because here I have a white background, as you can see. And in order to remove the background and turn the design into a transparent PNG design, all you need to do is let's first duplicate the layer. Okay, so right click, duplicate layer. Okay, and it's done. So let's hide this one like this, and all we need to do is go over select and click on color range. As you can see, so in color range, as you can see, we have this mini selection tool, color select, as you can see. And what you need to do is select the color that you want to remove. For example, we want to remove this color, the background. Okay, here on the fuzziness, here you select it's about the selection edges. So make sure to do not go far with this option, otherwise it will make your design tiny and shrink it. Okay, so let's for example set it here, and as you can see directly when I click on OK, the background is selected, as you can see. So right now all the background is selected, as you can see here. And what I need to do now is click on delete on my keyboard. So let's do it. Boom. And right now as you can see, the background is deleted and we have a design without a background. So let's try the case if I have, okay, so let's try in case I have the opposite. For example, I have this design like that, and they want to remove the background, the black background, and also turn this design to my favorite color. In this case it's white. So let's start first with removing the background, and I will do the same thing. Select first, let's duplicate the layer as I said in the beginning. Duplicate layer, as you can see. Then let's do the same thing. Select color range, select the color, and again adjust the edges of the selection. Okay, and let's make it like this, and the background is selected. All I need to do is click on delete, as you can see. So as you can see here, it's deleted. And why I see the color here anyway, because I didn't hide this second layer, as you can see. So let's hide this one, and here I have the design in white, as you can see. So in order to turn this design into my favorite color, all I need is, let's first deselect this design by clicking on Ctrl D. Okay, and then we need to double click here on the layer, on design, the design layer, as you can see. Directly after double clicking on the layer of the design, you will see here the option color overlay, as you can see. And by selecting the color, you can choose whatever color you want, guys. And after choosing your color, you just need to click OK okay. If you want to adjust the design in order to take the form of the screen, you just need to click on Control T, Control Alt T, as you can see, and then click on the merge in order to for the design to take the same aspect ratio between the high and the land, as you can see. And okay, so let's hide this one, and here we have the complete design, as you can see, in our favorite color. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand how you can do it. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix It Free. Don't forget to give me a comment. Thank you guys for watching my videos.